Hi guys, welcome back to DJ Hacks with Polly, where we learn more to earn more. So today we are looking at Adobe Firefly, which is a very impressive AI. And what you do, you just Google Adobe Firefly and click on this first link here. Yeah, the AI art generator. Okay. So yeah, if you don't have an account with Adobe, you just sign up, and so you just click Explore Firefly, and here we are. So I will take you through some of their services like text image, generative film, and text effects, and many others. So let's try the first one, which is text image. You just click one image, and that is from the list that you can see here below. So you write your prompt. Okay, so for example, let's type Firefly on flower. You can change the aspect ratio if you want, landscape, portrait, square, and yeah, the rest you can change. Also, you can change content type. You can choose from none, photo, graphics, or art. Okay, then art style, you can choose either popular, movement, and yeah, etc. Then you can click generate. Yeah, and now here is your image. Now let's try another one. Let's say a valley at sunset and the river between. Yeah, and here is your image, and yeah, it's so simple and clear. You just generate easily. So let's go to generative fill, and here you can upload a photo that you want to edit. For example, let's download one of the photos at Pixel, and after you download, you just drag and drop the attachment box. And the first edit is you can remove the background. You just click on this icon, and like that the background will be gone. Okay, and for you to replace the background, you just write a prompt here. Okay, so now you describe the image that you want to generate. Let's say in an island at sunset, yeah, something like that. Then you click generate. So here is our photo. You can choose the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. And if you don't find any among these ones, you just click more, and it will continue generating, yeah, so that you can choose from the one that makes you satisfied. So let's go with this one. You can add elements by clicking insert. Okay, you just have to use the brush like this and write a prompt. For example, let's write sheep. Yeah, see, it is. Let's prompt it to add dolphin, and easy, there you go. You just have to be creative. Okay, and also if you want to remove anything, you just come here and click on remove, and there you go. You can also add elements. For example, let's change the model clothes. Yeah, so you brush exactly where you want your object to be generated at. Then when you're done, you just write your prompt. For example, black dress, and there you go. So you just have to reprompt the Firefly until you get the perfect image that you want. So you click download to get your final image. Okay, also if you want to use someone else prompt, you can just come here and go to gallery and choose one of the images here. Right, now let's choose one of the photos. You just click your prompt here, and it takes you directly to image. And let's say, for example, we want this one. We just click it. Okay, you can also generate more images from the one that you selected by clicking the show similar icon. It will create other images from the main image. Yeah, so let's use this one. You can move from text to image directly to generative fill with this icon over here. For example, let's remove the background and create our prompt. Okay, now here we have our image. Let's try to add an aeroplane by clicking insert and painting the region that we want aeroplane added. Okay, and yeah, there it is. So you just press keep to save the changes, and then just download the image, and there you have it. Okay, now let's try text effect. You can choose your text effect from these generated samples by just clicking one of the templates. Yeah, you just click one of the templates here. So let's try our prompt. Let's write a drip cake, for example. And if you're having a celebration theme or something, you write a prompt according to whatever you want. Okay, now you click generate, and there you go. In case you want to change the text, you just come here and write your text. Okay, then you have your text, and there is also an option to change your text effect, text font, background, and text color. Okay, and when you finish, you just download. Okay. Yeah, it was very simple and straight to the point. Yeah, so that was it, guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to encourage my creations. Thank you. Bye.